Hi guys, so we've got a Attax Extra 2023-24 box opening. Will you find a Super Stack Hero Pack, Ultra Red, Dream Debut card and Lucky Packs? You can only find them in packets in these boxes. Could be lucky. Can we find one? £2.50 per packet, 36 packs, 12 cards per packet. Order all the latest products at tops.com. The people on the box. Let's get straight into it. Look, we've only got one sticker on it because the other sticker was already off it when I got it from the Tops website. That's the pack design. Early odds. Let's get straight into it. To me, looks like we've already got Underclub in the first packet. Might be wrong, but so Eddie and Ketia Tunnel View, Silver, Patrick Kira Mosala, Unana, Kaka, Underclub. We've got a match ball, Rashford, Neves, Breakthrough, Baller, Crystal Variation, can't understand for now, Kings of Europe, and this is in the QR code if I haven't showed you already. These all things away, put all on the one side to be honest, that'd be easier. On Matty, Limelight, Surge Desk, Dumfries, Fatty, Wasif Zaha, 1, Bon Matty, 101, 100 Club. I'm actually not sure what the odds are for 100 clubs. Take a quick look. 100 clubs 1 in 8. I think you can actually get 2 in Hero. I'm not sure what we get in the Hero pack. Theo Hernandez, Lookman, James Ward-Prowse, Tunnel View, Awake It for Bayern Leverkusen, Dublin Final, Twitchameni Pitch side, crystal variation. QR code, put the QR codes in one pile. Hopefully we might get 2 Chrome X cards. Robert Lewandowski, Matt O'Reilly, Lauren James, Patrick Hero, Kenneth Taylor, and Luke de Jong, man of the match heritage. That's just revealed the shiny. We got Crystal, Joe Linton, Kings of Europe, Declan Rice, Serge Gnabry, Trossard, Kevin De Bruyne, Eric Ten Hag, Zenbed Rama, Alex Sanchez. Let's go for one for the back this time. Got a manager for Sporting, the away kit for Barca. Sam Kerr, Darwin Núñez, Tunnel View, Alphonso Davies, Pedro Goncalves, Lauren James, Crystal, like a colour match that is. Then you've got a Emerald of the Jack Grealish crowd connections. Then we've got a Kings of Europe code, someone there. So we've got another match ball in this packet. Kieran Tierney, Tunnel View for Napoli, Dominic Szoboszlai to pitch side, match ball for the Europe Conference League. Then we've got a nice hat-trick hero, Evan Ferguson, Emerald. Jared Bowen, move all these cards out the way so they don't fall over. Jurgen Klopp, Nice new guard, Hurricane, Valverde, Vinicius Junior, Pascal Gross, Matoma, Lukaku, Ben White, Griezmann, Julian Alvarez, Harvey Barnes, Frank de Jong, Eric Ten Hag, manager and crystal variation, Barcode of someone, Ericsson, Evan Ferguson, hat-trick hero, Pulisic, tunnel view, for Real Madrid goalkeeper, Solly March, Kara Walsh, Thomas Tuchel, Leon Bailey, James Ward-Prowse crystal tunnel view, Noah Lang, Jeremy Frimpong crystal for the Crowd Connections Emerald version, Luis Diaz, Jack Grealish, Phil Foden tunnel view, Amrabat, Inter tunnel view. I'm going to quickly pause the video, sort out my area at the moment because it's getting a bit messy with all the packs. I'll see you in a next couple of minutes. We're back to clean the area, then to the packet. We've got a Mega Boost Haaland, Kai Havertz away kit, Rasmus Højlund tunnel view, that's a nice one. Trent, Musi Diaby, one, we see a nice little shield in there. Oh, no way! We've actually got the hero pack. We've got Allison, David Alaba, Serge Gnabry, Emerald. Our limited edition is Barella, the Barla. Oh, Bonmati, 100 Club. Ronaldinho. Alex McAllister. Jude Bellingham. Solly March. And QR code. Wow. Leave that all like that. Move them all around. Try to knock them over. Wow, I was not expecting to get that so quickly. Could be lucky to get another shield. Maybe shield with Cray Max. Josh McKimmich. Ooh, sneak peek. Slotterbeck. Dushimini. Champions League for the women's match ball. Valverde. Ooh, nice little 100 club for the women's. Put that on the stand. And we've got already 5. We've got 2 in the hero pack, and we've already just got another one just in that pack. Don't know why, but I actually kind of thought that might be the hero pack with a shield. I don't know why I keep saying shield, it's Cray Max. Bon Mati, Serge Dest, Mario Salah, Kieran Trippier, Dembele, code there. Wait, what? I opened the pack wrong. Don't know. James Ward-Prowse. Dumfries away kit for Inter. Andrew Fati update. Kenneth Taylor, Lucas Hernandez, Kyle Saka, Leon Bailey, Ramos, I haven't got many packs left now. Looking at a black edge, but it might be another cheeky 100 club though. So, Brunei. Kara Walsh. Melly Bryant. It looks like just a normal 100 club, but it's Carl Walker, our 600 club. There was who? Sabitzer, Danny Almine, Leroy Sane, the packets in the bin. Let's carry on. Got an emerald, Alagula, Boniface, Mike Magnan, Harder, David Moyes, Philip Max. Let's take the last packets out of the box. As it looks like we haven't got many left to go now. Yeah, could be lucky, could this be another one? Oh, that's a bit hard because I can't reveal it. Let's see if it's numbered though. Okay, well now it's not numbered. David Simmons, Philip Max, Ben Dyke, Vince Jr. Oh, two legends. Ronaldo now. Put that on the stand as well. That's mad how we've got two legends. Bruh, nah. Could this be? I can't lie, but how? Okay, it's Newcastle. I'll be Alan Shearer. And it's Newcastle there as well. Mega Boost, David Simmons, Matthews Nunes, Millie Bright, Eddie Howe, Memphis Depay, Virgil van Dijk. Oh, 100 club as well. So it's a one we've already got. And Alan Shearer. Wow. What a box. But could we find... Don't forget, we could be looking to find the ultra rare. But the chance of us finding that. What are the chances of getting them? Chrome X cards 1 in 24. I know we're going to get one anyway from the hero pack. But to get 3, now that's just lucky though. To be honest, I would have thought. Car Stacker. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more packs to be opened on the channel. I bet we could complete this whole collection within this box. Well, not mostly, because we mostly need more 100 clubs and some other matches and black edges. But we could mostly finish the whole base off, to be honest. I'll probably have already. Probably need 1 or 2 mega boosts, so I haven't actually seen yet in the pack. As far as we know, if any more, I'll pull any more Pro X cards. think I only need one more now. I can't remember. That list on me. Lucy Bronze. Stanway. Mason Mount. Still looks a bit weird because it's not in the shelf, not at Chelsea though, to be honest. Got the match ball. And we've got a nice crystal, Luis Diaz. QR code there. I see no Bayern Munich forward in this pack. I don't think I've even seen the actual Harry Kane card yet. Crystal there. Pep Guardiola. Victor Osimhen. I don't know how, but the Dream debut card I've seen on eBay because I had a quick glance to see how much it actually was. I've seen the highest about 190. I thought, wow, if you get that for that price. I know they're 1 in 500 packs, but we've got a nice little black edge. It's alright because we've got one already. Jude Bellingham. How does that look like Atletico Madrid away kit though? It doesn't even look like the badge. So tell us. Don't forget guys, we still need to open 2 mega tins on the channel. But oh, we've got a nice little legend. We've got a legend black edge. Put that there. No, put that up there to stand because that's all the hero pack in it. Oh god! Trying to sort them out, they all fell. We might start another pile. There we go. Not as much now. Don't want them all be falling over. Rasmus Højlund, Theo Hernandez, Robert Lewandowski, Matt O'Reilly, Lauren James, nice little tunnel view for Napoli. David Alaba. I might like grabbing all the cards. I think all our 100 clubs might have stopped now. I don't know. Might find cheeky another one. Trossard, Kevin De Bruyne, Eric Ten Hag. You can actually not see really the West Ham badge in that kit. In the away kit for them. Only 4 packs to go now after this, but on this one. Ooh, nice cheeky little black edge again. A little quick look when I get into the next pack and see what the odds are for them. Kieran Tierney. Pedri. I hope. Ooh, it's Man City one. Oh, Guerrero. Nice. Show you the little stuff about it. I don't think I actually showed you the Jude Bellingham one. It'd be crazy if you actually find the Dream debut off that card though. Vinicius Jr. Rafael Leao. Vinicius Jr. Wow. You can always kind of feel if you've got a shield or not, just if you press them. Nothing to do from that. Nah. Kai Havertz. Rasmus Højlund. Bruno Guimaraes, Jeremy Doku, Marcus Edwards, and the free digital pack. Last pack of that. See what the odds were actually. Black edges 1 in 16. So yeah, we was actually needed 2 actually. Looks like we weren't that lucky to get one. The Dream debut one, sadly. But I do see a nice little cheeky energy card. Joel Felix. Nice. Another need for the collection. To finish off the nice little pack for the end. Let's look at all these on the stand. Okay, we've got energy card, Joel Felix, Sergio Aguero, Black Edge, another Black Edge, I'm not going to pronounce that name, Alan Shearer. Is there 2 there? Or 1? Here's 1. Alison Becker, 100 Club. Ronaldo, 100 Club. Kyle Walker, Bon Mati, and Kaka. What do you get? 1 Legend 100 Club. Yeah. And then women's in the present. Then in the hero pack. Let's get all the hero pack off the. Just try to fuel up, skip through and see what we've got in the hero pack. Okay, we've got Ronaldinho, make that 3. Serge Gnabry, Bon Mati, Solly March, Jude Bellingham, Alex McAllister, David Alaba, Alison Becker, Dybala Extreme Limited Edition, Varela Extreme Limited Edition, and Bon Mati. Actually, I should go through that. I might have actually got some crystals in there. Yeah. Go through the crystals. Luis Diaz, Frimpong, James Ward-Prowse, Victor Hart, Evan Ferguson, Jack Grealish, Lauren James, Tuchemini. That's it, that's all the crystals in that. I just noticed that I put that in the digital pack area there. It's a shame we actually already got that Ronaldinho one. But that might just somehow might pop onto my eBay. So a cheeky grab. Or you could just go into my Instagram DMs and just DM me and say how much you want for that Pro X or something like that, or swaps. I don't mind. Because we've now got quite a lot to put in the album now. Just need to get the 2 tins, which I'll be at a later point at the moment. I have to put all these in, see how much we actually need to complete the collection. Then we're going to do a binder in the next week's video. And yeah, that's all the packs for this video done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. And can we still find that? And could be lucky again. We'll get a few little packs from the boxes. Find another hero pack from the little shop. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more packs opened, or just anything in general. It's trading cards. Bye guys, so to like, subscribe. Bye.